Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a video on waxing, something I love doing myself. Here is the wax warmer that I have.
Okay, so far I have let the hair grow out just a little bit, just enough to be able to pull the hair from the root. Also, I would say first I start with a little alcohol and the alcohol pad to clean the area of the armpit. Just to get all the residue or anything off. Of course, I did wash under my underarm first. Next, I will then use my sticks that I purchased from my wax sticks that I purchased from Amazon also, and just dip it in the wax. Make sure to test the wax to make sure it's not too hot, whether you got to blow on it. I also twist it like I am doing so now, just so the wax won't fall. Then I apply it in long strokes. Let it dry for a second. Pull down a flap. While pulling down, make sure you pull your arm and your skin to have a good pull or yank, and pull the wax off. So here is all the hair that I've pulled off, and you just basically just keep doing the same all over the armpit. Okay, so I'm doing the same thing again. I dipped the stick in the wax, twirled it around a little bit just to make sure the wax don't fall down. I then apply it under my armpit, like so. Then I let it dry for a little bit. And the same process, put a little flap down, hold your arm, and then pull down. So if you're not used to waxing yourself, it can be painful pulling the hair out the root of your arm. But one thing that I do is after I pull, I hold down my armpit. And also I sometimes keep a cold towel nearby. After I finish pulling, I might just hold the cold towel under my armpit just for like 5 seconds. Also right here, as you can see, I use both ends of the wax, so I don't double dip in my wax even though it's mine. But what I do is use both ends. As you can see right here, let one dry. I pick up a clean stick, use it, and then I go back to use the other end of the opposite stick, just to go ahead and use both ends. And I just keep doing that process, so I won't have to keep using a whole new stick every time. But like I said, I just don't double dip in my own wax. Sometimes it can be a little struggle trying to pull the wax off, and sometimes it may not come off. But like I said, you just keep holding your arm while pulling to be able to pull all the excess wax off. And all the extra wax on the sides, you can get that off later with a little alcohol and a cotton ball. Some people may not want to use alcohol right away after pulling the hair out the roots, but it doesn't bother me. Like I said, it helps take off the excess wax that wasn't able to be pulled. So I am now starting to wax the left side of my arm, and I'm just going to continue to finish to the end of the video. If you guys like to see the end results, stay tuned. Okay, so I am now finished waxing both sides of my underarms. So now I'm going to take, as I mentioned, a cotton ball and some alcohol and just try to get all the extra wax that was left behind. Okay, now you can see while I used the alcohol, it pulled off a lot of the wax. And also, I use a little cooling gel to apply under my armpit. It actually came with the wax kit that I purchased. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys in my next video.